Crann, the Irish word for oak tree. The oak is a native tree of Ireland. Many Irish place names are derived from oak trees, showing the significance of this tree in ancient Ireland. Over 1,600 townlands in Ireland contain the word dede, or oak wood. Derry City, for example, is Dede Columcille, meaning Columcille's oak wood, or Kildare, Kildare, which means the Church of the Oak. The oak tree is also associated with ancient druids. The Old Irish word for druid is dree, and in the Greek language, the word druid means oak tree. Druid sanctuaries throughout Europe were thought to be located amongst oak trees. In Jungian psychology, the acorn to oak analogy is used to describe the path of individuation, a primary theme in Jungian psychology. The oak has its roots hidden deep in the darkness of the earth and grows fully into its branches that reach the sky. Like our own path of individuation, as we come to know our own darkness, we grow into our potential and wholeness. No tree, Carl Jung said, can grow to heaven unless its roots reach down to hell. Crann, Darach, oak tree.